Okay, hi guys. So last page. So it says given an angle of 152 degrees, find all angles in the other quadrants with the same reference angle. So my advice, let's draw a big old bow tie. Okay, so we know 152 is here. So we know 180 and 360. So here we have to do 180 minus 152. So 180 minus 52. Let's try that again. Minus 152. So I got 28. Okay. Remember, your reference angle in quadrant 1 are always the same number. So 28. So here we're going to have to do 180 because we're a little bit past 180 and we're going to add 28. So 180 plus 28. I got 208. And then we're short here, so it'd be 360 minus 28. So 360 minus 28. And I got 332. So 28, 152, 208, and 232. 332. Whew. Okay. Next question. Remember, clean graph is a wrong graph. So we're going to squiggle out everything over here. And if necessary, let's get our midline in. Do you see how on the y-axis from my midline we start high? So this is a cosine graph. So we start high and we end high. And this answer right here is pi. So the period is pi. That is it. Okay. Please be careful. It doesn't ask for B. Okay. Here we go. So I'm a drawer. So here's a -6. Amplitude is 2. So if I'm at -6 and I go up 2, that puts me at -4. Ooh, that was fun. We don't have to find the minimum. But if I had to, we would have gone down 2. But my answer is -4. Don't you love sweet problems like that? Okay, step 1, collect like terms. So I'm going to add 1 to this side. And I get negative cosecant x equals -2 minus 2 cosecant x. And remember, we cannot combine these because one has cosecant and the other doesn't. So we're going to add 2 cosecant x to this side. And I get a cosecant x equals a -2. So remember, we put that over 1. So the reciprocal of cosecant is sine. And we flip this. So now we just get our unit circle. Because we didn't take any square roots, we only need 2 answers. Okay, so I forgot what I was looking for. So sine is negative at 7 pi over 6. I know there's a little bit of glare. And then over here at 11 pi over 6. And that is it. So 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. Okay, don't you love it when it's that easy? Okay, again, same thing. Add 1 to both sides. We got to collect like terms. So we get -3 secant squared x is equal to -4. Divide by -3. So we get secant squared x. Because we have 2 negatives, that becomes positive. So we got to get rid of the square root. I mean the square by square rooting. So remember, I just put that square root in here, so we got to do a plus or minus. So the square root of 4 is 2. Can't take the square root of 3. Now what I have noticed, a lot of people were rationalizing. Don't rationalize, because we got to get in terms of sine and cosine. So the reciprocal of secant is cosine, and we're going to flip it. And now that's really nice. So remember, this says I need 4 answers. And I want cosine to be the square root of 3 over 2. I just don't care whether it's positive or negative. Pi over 6. 5 pi over 6. 7 pi over 6. And 11 pi over 6. Okay. Now remember, all of these have to be the same. Pi over 6. 5 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, and 11 pi over 6. And again, just take a quick look-see. I should have all the same denominators. Okay. Then last but not least, find the minimum. And so here's -1. Okay, and we're going to go up 2 and down 2. But I really just care about the minimum. So -1 down 2 puts me at a -3. And that's my answer. So I wish you luck on your next test. I know you'll be fabulous. Good luck.